Back in Pickering, Derek's moving us from four-wheel drive to one-wheel drive.
If you're looking for a bike to restore and turn into a very desirable little vehicle, this is it. BSA Bantam, 175, sports Bantam, narrow bars, all the nice chrome. What a fantastic project. Looking at the others along the lineup, these are all nicely restored up anyway, so I wouldn't bother with anything, especially not heavyweight. The other bike I'd recommend is this. The only downside with this is that it doesn't want anything doing to it. So that's a bit of a downer, really. Could be one of them that you might overspend unnecessarily.
Not sure that's ever happened.
284, the 1954 James Captain. Here we are. Cheap little lightweight. Where are we going to be on that?
So have a cheeky little bid on it. We're going to have a cheeky little bid.
£1,100 bid. 1150, £1,200, 1,200 then.
Don't leave it too long to miss it.
£1,300 then at 1,300. Provisional then for with more than at 1,300 for the first. Second, third and last time, provisional at 1,300.
Oh, hey. Well, I feel like we might have got a bargain.
We did have to up our bid to 1,500 to secure the bike, before taking it to restorers Rob Carter and Brian Gould in Barton near Hull. Today, they are getting vaguely oily with something that rarely needs attention.
I mean, it's sweet as a nut, to be honest.
A Honda. In the interests of balance, what we brought them is likely to demand plenty of bruise and spannering.
What are we betting?
We don't know how long it's been stood prior to you guys buying it. We don't know. We'll just go to it and have a look, see what it says.
I'm going to bet it starts.
There'll be a solution, even if it don't start, we'll get it going.
Oh, yeah.
So I can't lose, can I?
No.
No.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, this is exciting now.
Hey, OK.
See what it says.
Oh.
So hang on a minute.
Should make a spark.
What does that label say?
No keys.
No keys.
But that's because there's no slot for them to go into.
They maybe
They
thought
never had
they
any.
come with keys in the office, but
yeah,
of course,
they don't.
going back to the days when these was...
There was no
current,
keys, was there?
They didn't have a key to start.
So the fact that it says no keys is correct?
Yes,
correct,
it's
yeah.
correct, that's right.
Yeah.
If you stick your finger in the end, Brian,
Right.
I'll kick it over.
Right, OK.
Is that all right for you?
And how will I know if it's sparked or not?
Because
Your hair will stand
yeah,
on
your
it,
head,
will it?
yeah.
Hold both of them.
Yeah.
We've been here before, haven't
We have,
we?
yeah, we have, yeah. You're right, mate.
Yeah, whenever you're ready. Oh, there's a spark there, Rob.
Is that?
Yeah. See the blue spark
There
moving
is.
across?
So we've got a spark?
Yes.
Right, put plug back in then, Bri. I mean, this is the original cap from 1950 odd. Look, you don't get many like that.
So that's the original measure?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, four of them look to 1 gallon of petrol. Straight in, mate. That's it. She's in. That's it. What happens now is, you said you thought it would start.
Yeah.
So if it starts, you're going to buy his breakfast. If it doesn't start, it don't make any difference because we bought it last time, so you're buying it this time anyway.
So either way, I'm going to lose.
Yes. No, it didn't start, so John's lost, so he's buying breakfast. That's the right result. I'll turn it on now.
So that's it?
That's it. I don't think it's getting fuel down the pipe, to be honest, but I'll try it.
Whoa!
There you go.
It starts?
It starts, yeah.
Could you,
Yeah.
Was that your shot?
It
Yeah.
was.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, it was there, wasn't it? I was staggered.
It definitely fires.
So that's the original fuel pipe?
Yeah, that is.
So you're just taking it off
Yeah,
to see if you get fuel?
We are indeed.
So if nothing pours out, fuel's not coming out
Yeah,
of the carburetor?
nothing's
out.
coming out. So it must be going to be quite a good starter because it must have started just on the absolute fumes that were left in bottom. Yeah, that's why we can't tickle it, mate. Yeah, so it's not.
I could squirt some in there if you want.
Ah, that's a good idea.
Right, you want some in there?
Yeah, get some in there, mate.
Brian is going to put fuel directly into the carburettor.
You all right then, mate?
Yeah.
A little bit of strangle. Right, all right then, mate.
Yeah.
That's it. We've used up what little bit we got into the carburettor, but it sounded fine, didn't it?
Yeah, that
And presumably,
we can't have Brian running along at the side when we're going down the road squirting.
He can't, we're all right up to about 5 mile an hour. After 5 mile an hour, he has a heart attack, and that's job done.
On the banks of the Humber, our 1954 James Captain is being dismantled.
There we go. Yeah, I've got that off.
Rob and Brian will bring the bike back to its British best.
It's in good condition, isn't it, for its age, Rob?
It is. I think that cover will go again, but we can't live with it like that. It's I think it wants re-sponging.
Concourse is what we're aiming for, a condition the same or better than when it left the Birmingham factory.
In like the 60s and 70s, they were scrapping British bikes on like an industrial scale when Japanese stuff came out, and this has obviously survived.
This is an area that always gets a hard life. That's been scratched against a wall or whatever. So, in all honesty, we'll probably redo them.
And we'll put everything that's chroming into like one box, everything that wants painted into another. That's it, that's one off. You're always better paying that bit more and buying a better bike to start with than buying just something that looks like it's been dragged out of a field with half of it missing, half of it rotted away. You spend months and months extra on them, and they've never got that originality that this will have. 70-year-old sheet metal, look at that. There's no filler, there's no welding, there's no dents. Well, it's got the J stamped on for James and everything, all the pressing's perfect.
Brian's struggling a little with the foot peg.
Of course, that's on well. I don't like being heavy-handed.
Mind your hands.
Okay.
I
don't like damaging stuff, Rob.
No, it's only on a tape, and that's the only way you'll get it to crack it off. We'll just keep it all together. I've put everything back on. But it can save hours trying to work out what went on where when we're putting them back together. That was on there.
Does Rob always resort to using the hammer, Brian?
No, we only use the hammers where we have to, absolutely have to.
Should be able to get in there. That's it, it's gone now.
So far, so good. But getting the exhaust nut off without damaging the engine is not going to be easy.
How many years has that been on for, Rob?
Assuming it's never been off 70 years.
We'd have to replace the whole lot, wouldn't we?
We would.
Barrel, piston, rings and everything.
You've got C-spanner, right?
We're going from that way, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to be gentle. We're not like abusing it, are we?
Can you?
Just get up.
That's turned. I thought I saw that turn.
Oh, it's going. It's going.
Is it? Yeah, it's turning.
Yeah, it's going.
Yeah.
Right, we're off, right?
Come away, hasn't it? Yeah, it's loose.
There's no like scuffing on the piston. Bottom rings clean and everything. No, to be honest, it looks really, really, really good.
Those poor old boys, we can take them apart, but we can't remember where all the bits go.
When you come to put them back together,
so we take photos, and then when we can't remember where it goes, we look at our photos and remember.
And it works quite well, doesn't it? Oh, right, tip it that way. That's it. I think they unscrew on like a thimble, don't they, I think. I remembered that, there you go. I remembered that well, didn't I? There we are, look. Oh. That's it, we're done.
Not far from Hull, our 1954 James Captain is still in bits.
Oh my word, look at this, Rob.
Oh, it don't look any better than it did last time, does it?
Normally at this stage,
we have a bike to show you. Yeah, there's just like bits all over. When the bike first came, it looked a lot better than it actually was. I thought we could just flat the frame and just prime it and coat it.
It's taken
been awful
2 days to strip the frame down to bare metal. I spent 3 days doing the engine.
It's just been one of them. Everything that you thought was going to be easy has just got like a deep, not a can of worms, but it's just got deeper and deeper into it more than we thought, hasn't it?
And it doesn't look like there's going to be any let-up. The relatively new seat cover has been riveted on over the old foam pad.
Oh, look at the state of this, Brad.
Oh, Rob, look at that.
We thought we'd we could reuse the cover.
We tried to.
And get him to make us a new sponge, but when you look at the state of it in here, it's terminal, innit?
The glue's burnt it, hasn't it?
He'll have to use this for a pattern, won't he?
It's perished and ripped.
Yeah.
So I'm afraid it'll have to be replaced.
Yeah. What's welding? Look, if you look there, look, it's split, and that mounting there is what secures the seat to the bike. So if that did crack, the seat could come off the bike. Obviously it wants painting, there's glue and everything all over, and it needs some sponge cutting as well, so obviously that's a professional job.
Next up, the frame, which is getting a coat of primer before being painted. A job that should be relatively straightforward.
There's a little bit there maybe you could get. Sorry.
Whereabouts? Isn't there yet? No, he's right, it is a bit thin. That's it, it's gone now. There you go. You've got to, the primer's like a bonding coat between metal and the gloss.
Do you think maybe that little bit there is the same?
Hey, so
in front of where you were before, just in that corner.
It is. In there like that.
Yeah.
Job done.
You happy, Brian?
Yeah, he's happy.
Hang on, we'll just check.
Like Picasso, innit? Do you, mate?
Across the Pennines, our 1954 James Captain is gearing up for the final push.
I know it doesn't look it, but it's about 70 or 80% done now. That's it, we're in.
It's gone
there
now.
We are, that's it.
Not only have the wheel rims been refurbished, but we've got new spokes that had to be individually made in the Midlands. The front wheel is proving a little trickier to fit.
Right, that can come up then.
Hang on, we're trapped here now. Wait a minute.
Hang on, well,
oh, we're nowhere near it.
No, I don't like this.
It's coming off that plank. It's coming off that lump of wood. That's it, mate, that's it. We're one of them washers short on here then. So 3 on here was correct. Right, needs to come back a bit here. Needs to come... Can't get... That's it, it's gone now. That's it, it's your side in.
Yeah.
The whole thing has been like this, hasn't it, Bri, honestly?
Yeah.
Everything that should have taken 10 minutes is taking an hour.
Have you enjoyed this one?
No.
It's fought us all the way and
it just has.
It stopped being a pleasure, this one.
Yeah, it has. It's been a battle of wits with the blooming thing, hasn't it?
And a few weeks later, we're nearly done.
Everything that we were waiting for is back. We've got the tank, a mudguards and box from Russ at Platinum, Wayne down at Barton Upholstery, down the road. He's done the seat, absolutely beautiful job on that.
So it's just the finishing touches.
Push that on. Nice bit of chrome on that, isn't it?
I will just double check it. That's lighting up. Speedo's lit, pilot's lit. That's headlight on there, and then you just got, see it on my hand there, you just got dip and beam. Because in the day, presumably people didn't steal bikes. There's no on and off for the ignition. It just starts on the kicker because it's a mag. And there's no security, there's no steering lock, no ignition lock. There's absolutely no keys with it of any kind. It just works.
Which is a relief, but it does mean it's a little tricky to stop.
In the actual handbook, it says if you want to stop it and you're familiar with where you're going, they suggest that you just lean down and turn the fuel off so it kind of peters to a halt when you get to your house. Or if you just want to stop it, just put it in first gear, put the front brake on, let the clutch out, and it stalls it.
Official way of doing it.
Stalls it, and that is the official way.
Life was so much simpler back then. Now the dust has settled, we usually end on a positive.
If we're being real about it, there have been times when we did want to bring it down here, actually, but we didn't want to stop it here. We wanted to go a bit further.
Over there, yeah, we did.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Preferably when the tide was going out that way to the North Sea, so there was no danger in getting washed up at Goole or anything.
Not sure that's what the budget called for. And let's see exactly how much money we've thrown at it. The original purchase price, including tax and commission, was £1,680. Parts and material were £1,934. And labour costs, another £3,000. Bringing our total spend to £6,614. Back at Matthewson's, Derek is suitably impressed.
Yeah.
Brilliant, mate. That's
Just had
lovely as
re-chrome.
ever.
It looks all right though, don't it?
Yeah. What have you done to it?
Everything, right down to frame, bare metal, bare metal the frame.
Lovely job.
With wire brushing, electric drill and everything. I mean, I know I'm biased, but it's as good as it comes.
Oh, it's lovely. James Captain, lot number 272. £3,000 I've got, £3,000 on the phone. 36, 3,600, Norwich. 38 Hull. 4,400
That is as good as it gets.
4,400, 4,600. 5,000, £5,000. Can't go on like this. You won't make a profit if you're going on like this. We've got to draw this to an end. 5,500 and away and gone then. Norwich to buyer, 5,600. 5,600. Third and last time, 5,600. There we go.
Well done, Rob and Brian.
Brilliant.
Well done, Derek.
Mark Preston from Hull is the proud new owner. Bought on a bit of a whim, it now sits proudly in his hallway, much to his wife's dismay.